Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand another problem that we have: count islands with the total value divisible by k. Okay, so the question is saying that we have given 2D grid, right? That is a grid as a matrix, we can say, where there will be row and column is there, right? I think you are already aware with the grid. What is grid means? What is the 2D matrix, right? So each positive integer in the grid consider as a land. Okay, all the positive you are seeing here, positive integers, are called land, right? And 0 is called water, right? So it is saying you are given a matrix grid and positive integer k, right? As you can see here. So this grid we have given and positive integer k we have given. Okay, further it is saying an island is a group of positive integers. Okay, so all these positive integers is nothing but a land, right? Representing the land. Okay, and that are 4 directionally connected, means horizontally or vertically. So if you connect it, let's suppose with this 5, we can say horizontally and this vertically, right? Means both directions we have. Give me 1 second. So let's understand what I'm trying to say here. Let's suppose for this grid, for this cell, right? Means we have to go horizontally and vertically also, right? Means it is saying it's 4 directionally connected, means horizontally and vertically. It means this is called vertically. Can we say that? Vertically, and this is horizontally. Means it's have how many directions we have? 4 directions. That is why I said 4 direction. So the total value of the island is the sum of the values of the cells in the island, right? And we have to return the number of island with the total value divisible by k. It means it is saying all these positive integer is called land, right? As we can see here. Okay, give me 1 second, right? So these are lands. Okay, I'm marking this. These are the lands, and rest of the waters. Okay, all the 0 is treating as a water. So land cells are connected vertically or horizontally, and this is your current cell. Okay, so either of any of this direction, if it is connected with another land, right? This is a land cell. What is the land cell? I'm talking about this one. Give me 1 second. If this is your land, right? If this is land, so the next land will be in this side, in this side, or in this side, or in this side. These 4 directions. If all of them, either of them are connected or horizontally or vertically, it will form a island. Okay, so that we have to find. So each cell has a value, right? And the sum of the value in the island is the total value, right? You are also given integer k. We have given that what you need to do so our task is here to count how many islands we have, total value which is divisible by k, total value which is divisible by k. Understand? So let's understand step by step so you can clearly understand. So for the first island, I'm talking about this one. So if you see what we have currently here, first we have 2. Can we say that? Then we are seeing 1, right? After 2 we are seeing 1. This side will go, right? Once this is completed, we'll go this side, right? Means 2, 1, and then what we have 5. So this is your first island. Can we say that? So if we'll do the sum, right? If we'll take the sum is 2 plus 1 plus 5. What it will come? It will come 8. Can we say that? Now we will check, is it divisible by 5? If you will do divisible by 5, is it divisible? No, right? It is not divisible. So we'll say no, it is not divisible. Then we'll go for the next island. What is the next island? Next island is 5, right? So very first is this island. Next island is 5. If we'll do the sum, right? How we are going to do the sum, right? There is only one. So 5 by 5. Is it divisible? Yes, this is divisible. This is not divisible, right? So we'll consider this one. This is the first island. It is what we call, it is divisible by k. Let's understand another one. Let's write here itself. Okay, So what is the next element, next island we have? Let's consider this 8, right? Triple tick. Oh, this is another island we have, which is 8. Can we do the sum? Just we have seen that 8 by 5 is not possible, so it is not divisible 5, right? So the only one island we have here is 5, which is divisible by 5. Can we say that in this case? Similarly, you will do the sum of the last that we have. 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 is 4, 4 and 4 is 8, right? And 8 and 7. Give me 1 second. 8 plus 7. I'm talking about all these values here, right? That we have here. If you do the sum, what will come? 15, right? Yeah, 15 by 5. It is divisible. So this one and this one is divisible. Means there is 2 islands we have, right? What are the islands we have? The very first is this one and this one are divisible by k, and that is why you are seeing that output is coming 2. I hope you understand this example. So now you will think, I understood the example, right? Now how we are going to implement it? Very first, you should understand the concept. So either you will use what you call a DFS or BFS. You know the concept, right? DFS or BFS. If you are not aware with the DFS BFS, let me know. I'll create another video and I'll put into the comment section, okay, so you can understand. So I will also request you to please subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt in your preparation, let me know in the comment section. I will teach you that topic, okay? So the question we have seen that the concept that we have, right? We can use DFS or BFS to iterate over this what you call matrix and to find the connected lands. Can we say that this is the concept that we have to use, right? After that, we have to understand. Let's track the visited cell, so we don't count the same island again, right? That we have to think. The very first thing is use either of these. Then what we should do? We should track the visited cell, right? So we don't count the same island again, right? Third, we should understand for each island we have to calculate the sum of its cells that we are seeing, right? Sum of the cells we are doing, right? So first of all, you will find the island for each island. You know that these are the islands, right? Let's suppose this is the 4th island. So all the islands you will get, and you have to do the sum, right? What is the sum? Sum of its cells, right? You will get some value. Let's suppose for this one and for this one, right? We are getting some values, right? We are getting some value. So we'll do the sum, and then we'll check if this sum is divisible by k. If it is divisible, k is equal to coming 0, means remainder should come 0. If it is divisible, the sum, whatever the sum of the cells is coming, right? If it is coming, it means it is, we will count it as a valid what you call island. I hope you understand, right? So let's understand the code, how I have developed this code, okay? Okay, so you can see now how we are going to implement it, right? So very first, we have given the grid we have given and the k we have given here, right? What we have given? Grid and k we have given, right? What we need to do? Very first, we'll find m and n, right? We'll create a visited what you call the array, right? So that we'll mark each cell it is visited or not, right? Then this is our count that will increase the count whenever it is valid one, and we return the count, right? Means we have seen if it is divisible by, so you can see here when we are checking it is divisible, just will say update the count, right? And to iterate, to traverse all the cells, we know that we have to make 2 for loop, right? And we have to check the DFS, means we have to start the DFS so that we can find the land, means all the 4 directions we have to go and we have to find, means we'll go grid, we'll check if grid at I and j, if it is greater than 0, right? And it is not visited, right? This is the condition. Very first, what we need to do, we'll get the sum, we'll create a sum, right? And then we'll do DFS, we'll iterate its all the directions and we'll check, okay, so this direction have a island, it will go to the, it will find the island, and once you find the island, you just need to check if the sum is coming is divisible by k, just increase the count, right? And this is your DFS function, right? So in this DFS function, you know, the island visit, how you are going to visit the island, right? So we will get the MNN, and these are boundary conditions, so we cannot go out of the boundary, right? And here we'll mark the visited cell. It is visited. Once we will visit the cell, we'll mark it and we'll update the sum, right? And these are the 4 directions that you have to traverse: I plus 1 j, I minus 1 j, I, j plus 1 j plus 1, and j minus 1. Okay, let me know in the comment section that you have understood the problem. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box, so I can create another video to make you clear understanding. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and support ExpertFunda, so you can understand each topics, each problem that is coming in the contest or in the daily series, right? And if you have any doubt in any topic, let me know in the comment section, so I can create another video. I'll ping you in the comment section itself, where you will write, I want to go through this topic, or any questions on the Leetcode. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.